Hi, I'm Peter Kuruvita, chef. Marley Kuruvita, mixologist. Together, we're putting together some beautiful Dilmah tea-infused cocktails. And what did you come up with today, Marley?
So it's a Italian almond infused with gold rum for a Mai Tai.
Mai Tai. And that's always rum, right?
Yeah, white rum and dark rum.
Okay, cool. So what we did first was we actually infused the tea into the rum. So taking 3 bags of tea, a couple of 100 mils of gold rum, and believe it or not, only 45 minutes, and the flavor of the tea will go into the rum, and eventually you'll end up with a beautiful golden liquor like this.
So first it's a tablespoon of grenadine. Then you top the glass up with ice. Next is 1 shot of white rum.
And does this all get layered? Is that the whole idea?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, the grenadine sits on the bottom, doesn't it?
Yeah, it's heavier. Then half a shot of any sort of orange liqueur, triple sec. Then 3 shots of pineapple juice.
Pretty tropical.
And then finally, the tea-infused dark rum to sit on top. One shot of that.
So normally you'd put amaretto in that, is that right? Or some kind of almond liqueur?
Yeah. Sort of traditionally it's made with an almond liqueur.
So that's the idea. The idea when you're thinking about beverages, cocktails with infused with tea, look at the ingredient on the pack and then think, okay, what alcohol is that? And you can break down some of your most basic recipes and add tea to them. Lovely. That looks great. Does it get garnished with anything?
Yes, garnish with some pineapple.
Yum.